Hey guys, we're doing the team random now for the 4-box mix. It's 5:38, 26 p.m. Melbourne time. Oops. Random is live. Dice roll for the names. On 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Teams now. I'm going 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, Johnny's had paces like 5 breaks in a row. Random complete. We have Johnny Deegan Pacers, Benji Mack Hornets, Glenn McCubbin Spurs, Coulson Bulls, Daniel Thorpe Bucks, Coulson Hawks, Jason Aire Knicks, Tucky Lakers, Benji Sixers, Deegan Heat, Brian with the Blazers, Albie Nuggets and Cavs, Coulson Rockets, Dobell Thunder, Jeremy with the Suns, Adam Carter Warriors, Johnny Deegan Raptors, Reese with the Kings, Coulson Wizards, Carter Mavericks, Marcus Allott Pistons, Glenn McCubbin Pelicans, Johnny Deegan Clippers, Brian Gomez with the Nets, Jerome with the Celtics, Lindsay with the Jazz, Brian with the Bulls, Scott with the Grizz, and Adam Carter with the Magic.